Hi superstars, it's another palm oil week. You're welcome. Okay, so in this video, I'll be giving you updates on palm oil business in Nigeria and palm oil storage business in Nigeria. I'm telling you the latest trends, including the price of palm oil as at today, the price of empty jerrycans as at today, and all you need to know about palm oil business in Nigeria. Alright, my superstars, so without taking your time, let's get started. Okay, so I came bearing great news in our last video on palm oil business in Nigeria. The price of jerrycans had reduced from 5,200 naira to 5,000 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Okay, so for those who were worried about the price of jerry cans has reduced and you can buy as much as you want at 5,000 naira flat. All right, so this has reduced the burden on people who need palm oil a lot because 5,200 naira was quite on the high side. But with this reduction, you get to save 200 naira from each jerry can. Alright, my superstars. Okay, before I continue, I also want to share that my WhatsApp is back and fully functional. So for those who had been trying to reach me via WhatsApp and could not before now, you can now reach me via WhatsApp. You can send me a message, a DM via WhatsApp, and then I'll attend to you. Alright, my WhatsApp is fixed. It's okay now. So send in whatever it is you have, whatever order you have. You can send it to me via WhatsApp and then we'll get started. Okay, my superstars. All right. So a lot has been happening in palm oil business this year. So many people, we all waited and believed that the price of palm oil would drop, and rather than drop, it kept increasing. And so many people got to start storing palm oil from 42,000 naira, 44, 50, and as at today, the price of palm oil keeps increasing. So lots of people are already on profit right now, but it's not too late because palm oil business this year is going to shock a lot of people. There's high expectation from palm oil this year. So many people are estimating very high values. Okay, for people like us in this part in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, people are estimating that palm oil could get to 70,000 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo by the end of this year. Okay, so for people who are in other parts like Lagos, Abuja, okay, the northern part of Nigeria, as I speak with you now, palm oil is also increasing, but the price of palm oil keeps increasing. So there is high hopes on palm oil that palm oil this year will pay. It will pay. So lots of people are getting to store palm oil no matter the price. Lots of people who were sitting on the fence are gradually diving in to buy palm oil and store. So maybe people who were like, I won't store palm oil, I won't store palm oil. It's like it will not sell this year, it will not sell this year. Before I knew it, I saw them. I saw them buy palm oil. I saw them order for palm oil, and they have stored. Lots of people are storing palm oil ahead of peak season this year because of these estimations and great hopes. All right, my superstars. So we have good palm oil in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, and good palm oil is not cheap. We have different grades of palm oil. All right, and during this visit to the mill, I make sure that I go by myself. I sit down and monitor the whole process. I ensure that the palm oil I buy is of excellent quality for lots of people.
The palm oil I buy is processed from fresh, ripe fruits, not spoiled fruits. So this produces the best and most delicious palm oil. Palm oil extracted from dead palm fruits produce bad palm oil that has a bad aroma and taste, while palm oil produced from fresh palm fruits like this produce delicious and fresh palm oil.
I ensure that I go to the mill by myself and I buy the best quality of palm oil for people. And grade one palm oil is not cheap, my superstars, because of the method in which it is processed and the quality of the palm oil. It is the first palm oil after extraction, and some people go a step further to process it in such a way that it has a very long shelf life. So it is not cheap. We have other grades of palm oil, and we have fava oil, we have lots and two other grades of palm oil, right? Those ones are a bit cheaper. But if you're going for grade one and good quality palm oil with excellent aroma, taste, and everything quality, it is not cheap. I got this review that gave me so much joy few days ago from a superstar. She told me that my superstar, I I used your palm oil to I poured it into a pan and then heated it, and the aroma that came from the palm oil was so amazing. It was so nice, and I got to enjoy the palm oil with yam. Oh, my superstar! It gave me so much joy. That review alone gave me so much joy, and I've been receiving amazing reviews from customers. That is what gives me joy. That is what I desire, and and that's why I do not joke with quality. I ensure that I go for the best and I give the best. Okay, my superstar. So grade one palm oil in Akwa Ibom State Uyo today is 53,000 naira. I don't know about tomorrow. If it goes down, I'll also come up here and notify you guys. And if it goes high, I'll also notify you. But the price as at today is 53,000 naira for 25 liters. And empty 25 liters as at today is 5,000 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. And logistics depends on your location. Okay, my superstar. So if you need help with getting good palm oil, please, you can always reach out to me via WhatsApp or via calls, and then we'll get started. Okay, my superstars, I'm based in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Alright, for people who have been wondering, I'm from Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, and I also live in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. So if you need, you can always reach out to me, and then we'll get started. Alright, my superstars, thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Alright, till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstar.